Good afternoon. Today, we will be presenting T.H.E, or the Levitation Project. This project will be presented by Cale, Gonyea, John Branstetter, Gilligan, and Phillipe Jennings.
The goal of our project is to build a mechanism that will levitate a small object. The materials needed will be an electromagnet, a linear Hall effect sensor, an Arduino, a smaller neodymium magnet, and a power source. The distance between the magnet and the object levitated is what we will manipulate.
So first we began with the initial design, which was based on the equation F sub m equals K sub m times the current squared divided by the distance to the solenoid squared. Our first priority was to design a 3D printed base, so we began in AutoCAD Inventor, drew up a base that would fit all of our components, including the Arduino, a proto board that would fit on the Arduino and house all of our components, and also a shaft to hold the electromagnet up in place, suspended in air, which would eventually levitate our magnet. Below we've shown a schematic of our circuit, a few pictures of our Arduino in our initial design, and a video continuing our process showing how our design has evolved over time.
In our design, we decided to thread the Hall effect sensor straight through the center of the electric magnet to about 5 millimeters below the bottom. This way we could avoid the effects of the magnetic field from the electric magnet. However, we ran into some issues regarding oscillation. Initially, we decided that we should add a second sensor to offset that interference, but this created issues, especially when we were writing our code, and eventually our levitator failed completely. So instead, we went back to our original design and added some aluminum covers to the magnet and to the base to counteract the Lorentz effect that was affecting our magnet.
Okay, football fans, put your hands together for the Bikini Bottom Super Band!
These are some ugly-looking fish.
Maybe we're near one of those toxic waste dumps.
I think I'm gonna be sick.
Okay, everybody. Let's get this over with. 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's the thrill of one more kill, the last one to fall. Who never sacrifice their will. Don't ever look back, and the world closes.